Moses at the wind today. On this episode of Quint's Garage, we are going to replumb the entire truck with brand new fuel line. I got a 25-foot fuel line, and hopefully that takes care of the problem, because I got a lot of metal bends in there. Hold on, we got fire. Step A is to get your certified ASE creeper. So that's not one, but it definitely looks like one. And so basically it's pretty simple. You got an overflow line. No, you actually don't on this one. That doesn't hook up to anything. Well, that's a plus. So you've just got one hose, and then the wire, the get-you-magoo for the sending unit. But anyway, this old line that's just real cracked and corroded, and then it comes down here to this metal line, which is probably degrading on the inside. It's got all these bends and everything. Well, that's basically your problem. And I don't know why I didn't replace all the line when I did the truck. Probably because I was procrastinating. That sounds like me. Just because of how pressed for light I am and how hard it is to actually get a camera angle. Probably going to do time-lapse for most of this, but because I've got 21 feet of tough Ford truck to do, yeah, we're going to be here a little, you know, get a cold snack and maybe a hot dog. I don't know. Do you live in the trailer park? Probably. Anyway, let's get to it. So here's where I am now. Got this old, probably factory line off. You know, she's ready to just snap in half. But guy figures if I take it off here, I might be able to plumb it, and then I'm not going to hook into this one. Don't have a heart attack. But, you know, maybe zip tie to this line and then just run it along the frame. That's exactly what I'm going to do. And then just meet up with the pump or my fuel filter up there. Yep. Am I making a plan? No. Well, it's something near a plan. We'll call it a sub-plan. Yeah, nope. I'm just going to keep procrastinating. It's worth mentioning, I'm 6'1", okay? And I'm sitting up straight comfortably, well, not comfortably, but good or enough, underneath my truck. Try that in your brand new trucks. Oh yeah, they've got air conditioning and anti-lock brakes and cruise control, and I've got cruise control. It's called a high idle. You just pull that out and it'll go. Granted, it doesn't get any fuel economy and it makes the engine get hot, but I've got cruise control. Or a brick, put that on the pedal. Situation update. Got her hooked in there, so now I'm just gonna run it along the frame rail. Anyway, so we got this filter on the frame here, and then it just kind of does a little and swoops up to the filter up there just before the fuel suckalization pump, which is right there. Also, whilst doing this project, I went on eBay and ordered 400 zip ties because I'm tired of running out of zip ties every time I do a project, and it's starting to piss me off. So I got me a set of 400 coming, and hopefully, anyway, that should do the trick. But I got it here. I put some wrapping on it so it's not rubbing the motor mount. The wrapping is rubbing, not the fuel line, because I do not want a hole in that, because then there goes the fire. And I've got to service the tape here, but that was already there just to cut down on vapor locking before the pump. That way it's not pumping air. primed up, baby. Oh, that's sweet. A little stumbly still. Well, other than the fact that, I mean, you know, my fuel fix works, I can't drive it because we got company over and they brought a Dodge. How disrespectful is that? I might take a bag of concrete. You know, it sounds great too. Let's see what we got for oil pressure. I did just install a new gauge too, because the other one exploded. That's looking like 53 pounds of oil pressure, which carburetor, no electric tune, idling at 800 solid RPM. Come around, well, first listen, then come to the tailpipe. No spluttering, nothing, just a perfect solid idle. And the fumes are, you know, old truck. Certainly doesn't have EFI or any sort of Cadillac converters underneath, but they're not bad. I'm not saying it would pass emissions. Definitely wouldn't pass smog, but I don't live in no California. I live in El Tejas,